Hello, Chip GT here, and in this video I had a little bit of a surprise. I came downstairs this morning and this box was all wrapped up, and this is indeed the artwork that I was hoping to get for my birthday. It was an early birthday gift from my wife. She worked it out with all my family, my parents, my siblings, my in-laws, everybody that is directly connected to us in some way helped contribute to making this happen for me for my birthday. So first, thank you everyone so much for this birthday gift. This is exactly what I wanted for my birthday. And this video isn't going to be an unboxing. I've already opened it, but I haven't unrolled it yet. So this video is going to be an unrolling of the artwork so that we can check it out. So without any further delay, let's coin in and push that start button. Did you give me some artwork for my birthday?
I've contributed.
Contributed.
I've contributed. I mean, give me a Sharpie. I can get you some artwork.
So let's go ahead and pull this out. And it comes. This is all from Virtua Pin. That's where who I had ordered it from, or who I asked my wife to order it from. And I asked it to be a wide body Williams full cabinet with Backbox artwork, and hopefully this is what I got because it's all one price. It's all the same price, flat rate. So let's go ahead, we'll cut this tape off and we'll check it out. It's wanting to roll back on me a little bit here. So I need to find something a little on the heavy side to help hold it down. There we go. And of course I unrolled it upside down. This is like the best artwork from Williams. It's got that nice freshly printed vinyl smell. And it comes wrapped in this paper. Look at that. This Funhouse, No Good Gophers. This looks unreal. I love it. This looks so good. Bride of Pinbot, Medieval Madness. Gorgar. Mars, Attack from Mars. This looks so good. And then on the other side of the cabinet, there's two pieces here. There's more artwork with like Dr. Dude. Ooh, Mark will love that when he sees that Andromeda. This is the side that's going to face out on the side of the cabinet here. But gosh, this looks so good. It's turned out so nice. We're probably going to do the cabinet last. Here we go. We're going to do the cabinet last. So these other two sheets, there's some more here. Let's see here. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Here's the wide body coin door and buttons. So that's kind of nice. It looks like it's got the best of both sides on here. This looks so nice. looks so nice. And then we have the side art. Now, this is kind of your old school, old style cabinets for the back box. The back box height is going to be the same, and it's measured at this bottom side, so it's going to come right up here. So I might want to shift this a little bit, but this looks just phenomenal. This turned out looking so good. It's the best artwork from some of my favorite machines. I can't wait to get started on this. This is going to be so much fun. So, with that, we got to demount the back box. We got to take some of the things out of it. That'll be the easiest thing to do. The pinball cabinet itself, we're going to have to completely take the legs off, all the chrome off. I'm going to have to finish filling some holes with putty. There's the buttons, the plunger, everything has to come off of the table. And then we're probably going to end up having to put it up on like a folding table somehow and get this artwork on there. And it'll look so much better. So thank you again, family. I really appreciate this. We're going to start the artwork series in the next week. I've got a little bit of prep work I got to do, but I'll be walking you through the whole process, start to finish. We're going to make sure that this is all going to fit right before we cut, and we got to cut channels in the bottom of the cabinet and the front of the cabinet, on the side of the cabinet, so that it locks in. So there's a lot to go on in this next series for the artwork, and I'm excited to get started. Thank you everyone for watching. This next series on the artwork is going to be a lot of fun. Hopefully we should be able to get through it in a couple of episodes, and we'll go right into some of the other things. So thank you for watching. I hope you're excited about seeing this as much as I am, and I'll see you in the next one.